お支払いがありました。
ありました。1人100ペソずつ
あ、マジですか。
エントランスフィー。
I'm Rafi.
Rafi.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my friend.
Hi, good afternoon.
What is your name?
I'm Densho.
Densho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
pangit.
Pangit. What's the meaning? I forgot.
You know the pangit?
Beautiful.
Pangit. Ah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Ugly, ugly.
Ugly.
So this is our board. This is gonna be the one we're gonna use. It's a longboard for beginner. Okay. Have you tried surfing before?
Ah, no, this is first time for
Okay.
all of us.
Right. Okay. You know how to swim? Swim? You don't have any body injury, like no phobia in the water, like drowning, no? So the parts of the board, here we have nose, tail of the board, okay?
Tail.
Tail,
Tail.
okay? So every time you lay down to your board, make sure your face is in the nose. So then, most dangerous part of the board is the fin. So this one, okay? So every time you get wiped out or you fall, cover your head or your face. Make sure your body is in the middle of the line. No, this one is a rail and this is a stringer. So the rail, you paddle, you touch your hands with the rail, okay? Not paddling like that, but deep, okay? And then board have a leash. So this is the leash. So this one is connecting to your feet and to the board, okay? So this one is also dangerous, so don't play with the leash. If you are in the water, don't play the leash like this in your hand. You know, because if the wave comes, so it's gonna broke your bones or your fingers. Okay, so make sure you put your leash in your feet properly, like the leash on the side, not at the back like this. Okay, on the side like that. Okay. So first, when you lay down to your board, chest first. So grab the board on the side, put your chest on the middle of the board, and put your feet on. So face forward, chest up. If I said paddle, so you paddle one by one, not together, okay? One by one. If I said ready, put your hands here, below your chest. Don't grab the board on the side because it's wobbling when you push in. So put your hands here, face up. From this position, look at my feet. So from here to this, and then push your body or your shoulder first, like this, and then push your butt, like that. Okay. Then first step, right foot or left foot. It depends on your stand. And then remove your hands and do another step, and then bend your knee all the time. Don't stand like that. So like this. Face forward, your hands like that. Okay, paddle. Ready? Push. Up. Here. Isn't it right?
Cameraman.
Again. Try again.
Give me a
Then remove. Bend. Don't forget to bend.
A long time ago. Long time ago? Yeah. When I started surfing, since I was 14 years old. 14? Yeah. Now I'm 39 years old. 39? Yeah. So 20? Almost 20. Oh.さあ、どうでしたか？じゃあ、長く乗れるように、やっぱちょっと前に傾かないといかない。怖がって後ろになったらすぐ終わっちゃうから。何回もびっくりした。しかも今日超最高の天気。女子2人の生着替えです。ボードに擦れたとかすごい痛いです。手がシワシワになりました。パシフィコビーチで7時にサーフィン開始しようと思って6時に出発したけど全然時間足らなかった。
Hi guys, welcome to my morning. Morning. No patay, no patay.
You know already Jawakao, it means I love you.
Jawakao?
Yeah.
I'm from here, I'm the local here. The waves here is very good, nice.
Very nice.
Bantayan?
Yeah, Bantayan Island.
Yes, we know.
We have a tattoo shop in Bantayan Island.
He did himself while looking in the mirror.
Very nice.
If you like tattoo, just tell me.
You want
Vincent,
pato?
Just follow my page, Island Tattoo and Piercing Studio.
Good!
Ala!
Good for you because you're a second hand.